Think saving money means sacrificing everything you love? Nope. Imagine building a rock-solid safety net and still enjoying your coffee runs, weekend getaways, and life's little luxuries. Stay tuned, because today we're breaking down the exact savings goals, benchmarks, and insider tips to help you save smarter, not harder. By the end, you'll have the ultimate plan to crush your financial goals without giving up the fun. Set monthly savings goal. Let's kick off with the basics. How much should you save each month? Here's a simple rule of thumb: save 10 to 20% of your income. To put that in perspective, if you're earning $3,000 a month, you'd set aside $300 to $600. Think of it as paying your future self first. Got a raise or unexpected bonus? Level up your savings too. You'll hit your financial goals faster and feel like a money-saving champion. Building an emergency fund. All right, now that you're saving monthly, let's talk about your emergency fund. The financial safety net every adult needs, but nobody likes to think about. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. So if your monthly expenses are about $2,000 for bills, food, and those occasional Amazon splurges, aim to save between $6,000 and $12,000. This money will keep you calm when life throws a curveball, whether it's a car breakdown, an unexpected medical bill, or suddenly losing your job. Saving for long-term goals. Once your emergency fund is all set, it's time to think long-term. I'm talking about big goals. Think about that down payment on your dream house, your kid's college fund, or that retirement beach house. Yes, you deserve it. You've probably heard people toss around that 1 million retirement fund target, but let's get real. While that number might work for some people, your savings goal should be based on your life and your dreams. So crunch those numbers, make a solid plan, and save with purpose. After all, your future self is counting on you. Tips for saving more money. Now let's talk savings hacks. Simple strategies that'll help you reach your goals faster. Number 1, automate your savings. Set up an automatic monthly transfer to your savings account. Think of it as putting your savings on autopilot. This way, you won't accidentally spend that money on delivery sushi or another gadget you don't need. Number 2, cut unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at where your money goes. Those forgotten subscriptions, that extra daily coffee. It's these small expenses that add up. Trimming these little costs can lead to significant savings. 3, bonus boost. Whenever you receive a bonus, tax refund, or unexpected cash, save a portion before spending. Your future self will thank you while relaxing in financial comfort. Balancing, saving and spending. Finally, let's talk balance, because saving doesn't mean you have to live like a monk. Saving is about spending wisely, not cutting out all the fun. Once you've set a goal, give yourself a budget that lets you still enjoy what matters to you. Saving should feel like a long-term relationship, not a bad diet. Spend on things you value, like a nice meal with friends or a weekend getaway, and still save for future you. It's all about keeping life enjoyable while building up that financial cushion. So, there you have it. We covered how much you should save each month, why an emergency fund is a must, and how to set up long-term goals. Remember, consistency is key. Even small steps make a difference over time. If you got something useful from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Money A to Z for more videos. Catch you in the next video.